Why isn't my relationship the same as before? There are small details that may be ruining the relationship so it does not seem. Today we are going to mention some of the things you are doing that keeps your partner away. In order to maintain a stable relationship, not only love is needed, because commitment is required so as not to let the first obstacle that occurs to ruin what you have. For some people, it is a bit complicated to keep their romance safe, but sometimes it is these same people who cause love failure. There are small details that you do and that somehow affects the relationship. That is why on this occasion we will mention some of it. Pay attention to the following list so you can save it and prevent it from going through a love breakup. 1. The cell phone. Although the use of mobile phones makes life easier for us, it is also a destroyer of your social life. Being aware of your cell phone to check your social networks is a danger to your relationship. Many people cannot have a conversation with their partner because they are watching their screens. That is one of the things that has caused love relationship to deteriorate. 2. Hiding things. It is not an obligation to have to tell everything, but if there is trust in the relationship it will not be a problem to tell your partner what happens to you and more if they are things like a call from your ex, a fight with a friend and even if it bothers you something about your surroundings. 3. Laziness. Believe it or not, laziness is one of the things that come to appear at some point in the relationship. We know that you may be very tired, but postponing a date as a couple will only end your relationship. Stopping doing things that hold you together can lead to a breakup, and even if you don't think about it, it will be better to act before it's too late. The idea is not to be harassed either. According to experts, seeing your partner once a week is the key to success for a healthy and lasting relationship. Now that you do know, you have no excuses to spend moments with your boyfriend, otherwise, it is best that you be honest with that person. Learn how to get a man to love you. Click or tap the link on or below this video to download this free ebook.